The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now viewers and subscribers, I got information about an incident where it is said that a mentally ill person attacked a police officer and the police officer died. I also got information that the mentally ill person had been killed by the police within the country of Jamaica. Now when I got all these informations, viewers and subscribers, I remembered that a few days ago I was going to talk about mentally ill persons out in the public within the country of Jamaica, because I think that some of those mentally ill persons can be dangerous to people out in the public who are traveling day by day, are going about them business. And one of the main reasons why I was going to talk about mentally ill persons out in the public within the country of Jamaica is because of a video that one of my viewers who claim to go by the name of Angela sent me, Dancehall skilla. And the video that my viewer sent me shows a naked mentally ill man who was laying on the ground under a bus that was on the road somewhere within the country of Jamaica. A part of the video shows when the naked mentally ill man ran inside of the bus that was carrying a certain amount of passengers. The video shows at least one person who climbed through the window of the bus in order to get out of the bus. Other things can be seen in the video, viewers and subscribers. But to my understanding, persons did what they think was best at the time in order to get out of the bus. I'm not going to say much more about that video that I saw. I'm going to talk about the incident where it is said that a mentally ill person attacked a police officer and the police officer died, and it is said that the mentally ill person had been killed by the police within the country of Jamaica. Now, according to those informations that I got the understanding that the police officer who died goes by the name of Paul Gordon, and it is said that he is or was a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. See? Now, it is said that the incident happened on the 24th of September, the year 2021. That's today in the morning. It is said that the incident happened within the place that is known as Linstead. That's within the parish of St. Catherine. That's within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, according to those informations that I got, it is said that the police officer was within the place that is known as Linstead, and he was going about his business when the mentally ill person hit the police officer with a stone on his head. It is said that the attack was an unprovoked attack. So can you imagine the police officer go about in business and then a mentally ill person just attacked the police officer just like that, and the police officer lost his life. So I got the understanding that sometime after the mentally ill man hit the police officer on his head with a stone, the police officer succumbed to his injury. I got the understanding that the police had been notified about the situation, and the police officer who had been hit on the head with a stone by the mentally ill man had been taken to a hospital where he had been pronounced dead. I also got the understanding that the mentally ill man is believed to be a person who was somewhat violent sometimes in the past. I got information that it's not the first time the mentally ill person attacked someone out in the public. So now that something like this happened, viewers and subscribers, I am wondering if the government of Jamaica is going to do more to get more mentally ill persons from off the street within the country of Jamaica. I know that the government of Jamaica have places for mentally ill persons within the country of Jamaica, but I think that more should be done, because some of those mentally ill persons can be dangerous to people out in the public within the country of Jamaica. I can't talk for people out there in the world because I don't know how other governments within other countries operate or what them do. You see me? But me can talk about Jamaica because I'm a Jamaican. And now that this situation happened that caused a mentally ill person's life and a police officer's life, I decided that I'm going to talk about the video that I saw that shows when the naked mentally ill man ran inside of the bus that was carrying a certain amount of passengers. I mean, what if there was children on that bus? What if the mentally ill man injured someone who was on that bus? I think that there are too many mentally ill persons on the street within the country of Jamaica. I think that there are too many mentally ill persons out in the public within the country of Jamaica. And I think that something should be done to get more mentally ill persons off the street within the country of Jamaica for their safety and for others. Some people share this video, bring an awareness when it comes on to mentally ill persons out in the public within the country of Jamaica. Even worldwide, if so be the case. You see what I said to you? I'm not saying that persons should be mean or persons should do things that are bad to mentally ill persons. No, that's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that be careful when you're going close to or you're going to pass a mentally ill person out in the public, because they can be unpredictable. See? Some people share this video, like this video, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?